Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Sorry for the couple of minutes late. The reason for that is I've been on the extra channel editing and putting out content for the videos that we did over the weekend for you that were just out this morning for your technical chart analysis. Sensei did some great charts for you today. Some new stuff as well. We looked at a new asset, a TON crypto coin. It looks interesting. Will it be the home of the Martyn Lucas coin? We're learning about it. So there's a full technical analysis on that one. We also put Robinhood out as well. Chart analysis, Virgin Galactic, a Micron technology, and there was one more and I can't think what it is. It's gone off my head now. But anyway, if you want to go and check out all of those, I've just released them, and let me refresh the screen. You should better see them. They've all just premiered before the bell this morning. We wanted as many people to get that information as possible. So let me look down here. There we go. So just gone out. You can see Micron is just premiering as we speak. Micron. If I scroll down here, you'll see I've just put out, go into the video section. If you just go there, look, click videos. So we've just put Micron chart out, full technical analysis. That was asked, one of our members requested that, so we did that one for you. We also did TON, the new TON crypto. That's out as well. Virgin Galactic chart, obviously very, very important, already getting watched just a few moments ago, as you can see. The halving event, Bitcoin halving is, of course, very, very, very important right now. People want to know how to manage that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got Robinhood about to come out in a few minutes' time as well. All right, so if you want to watch those and come back to me, you can. Now then, we've got tomorrow, the 23rd. It is the 23rd tomorrow, isn't it? Yes, 23rd tomorrow. We've got AGNC. It's early in the morning. You asked for an ANGC. One of our members asked for an ANGC earnings. And as a member, you can request an earnings. And that was requested. So that's tomorrow morning early. There's the information about it. Now, also we have, you're going to like this, after hours in the evening, I am doing Enphase Energy on the channel. Sensei is doing Tesla on the extra channel. Sensei is doing the Tesla earnings. Can't believe I'm giving Elon, I'm giving Sensei Tesla. I like Tesla, but I think it will be a good one for him. So it'd be interesting to hear from Elon Musk. That's Tesla earnings tomorrow night after hours on the extra channel. I'll be here with Enphase Energy. So I think Sensei is going to have the bigger audience. I would imagine, but we'll see anyway. There you go. So Tesla earnings is tomorrow night on the extra channel. There you go. A little bit of a breakdown there. Let's look at our positions this morning, see where we are. Now, as you can see, the S&P today is up, but I'm up exaggerated because I bought more with margin. So my portfolio is up nicely today, very nice indeed. The S&P isn't up as much as that. It's because I've got margin and it's exaggerated it. You can see it there, look, you see? If you look at the Roth IRA, no margin, it's up 0.5. But as you can see, I'm at 0.69 because I've got exaggerated gains because the margin value doesn't get added to your balance, only the losses and the profits. So until you pay that off, you're exaggerating it. Now, once I've paid the margin back, then it'll be in line again. But right now, you can see it's exaggerated. All right. Okay. See that? Look, 0.58, 0.69. It's that little bit more because I've got margin. All right, so there you go. Anyway, the overall balance now, 75.8 is the all-time high. We're at 75.4. We're moving up. All looking good. So very nice indeed. It's a good morning so far. Let's go through all our positions. Let's see who's here. Bring all the questions in. We got a new member, Arcane Phoenix. Let's see if Arcane is in the chat. No. If you come on in, let us know you're here. Let's see who's here this morning. We got Steve Wally here to a new week, new positions and new gains. Good morning, everyone. Always looking forward. Good morning, Lucas Aids. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Jay Long, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Raman this morning. Morning, everyone. Jason Davis, best YouTube TV live channel in the world. Yes, that is right. Warhite, hi Lucas, good morning to you. All green, yes. GM, ML, and Nicola comments. GM, ML, ML, that's a good stock. Martyn Lucas, got to be a good stock, that one. Nicola, nothing yet. I will keep you updated as we get more information. Very nice. Today's Fisker news may be. Yes, we're keeping an eye out for it. If anyone gets any information before me, links for YouTube on Discord. Right, I'm going into Discord now. Mr. Mankey, Kevin B, Fisker, what is this here? April 19th. That was last week, an increase. We saw that. Only a rumor, but interesting. Let's have a look. April 19. Was that Friday? Yeah. Let's have a look what this says here. Stellantis, an increase of 325%. Stellantis, let's have a look here. Market. An increase of 395 days driven by rumors of partnership with Stellantis Maserati. Okay. Where's that from? Tesla Mag. Okay. Rumors. Okay. Fisker. All right. I like that one. Let's get rid of all these ads. We're flipping loads of it, isn't it? Okay. Okay, let's do this. So Fisker right off the bat. Thank you very much indeed for this information. We did have the Virgin Galactic. Did you all get? Let me mention to everybody, members, you got the Virgin Galactic interview with Andy Shovel. Have you seen it? It goes to the general public on the bell, but it's been out now since yesterday. Start a poll. Have you seen Andy Shovel interview of what he's going to buy today? Have you seen Andy Shovel SPCE video? Okay. It was in the newsletter. It was on all my socials, and it's a members only video because members can benefit from this one before the bell goes this morning. The general public will get it on the bell. Have you seen the Andy Shovel? Right. Please vote on that. Right. While you're doing that, we've got a Fisker announcement as well. FSR. Fisker, I can't find it, of course, that way now. I can't search for it, but I can if it's in my list, which it is. Yeah, right, so Fisker, 42, Fisker, FSR, and we're looking at 15. Right. Production, FSR, right. Breaking news this morning here with Fisker, Fisker FSRN as it is right now. Any moment now we're going to get some news. Is it going to be good, bad? Well, we've got rumors flying around. I've got some information here I want to share with you. The stock popped 300% last week. My investors got in at 2 cents. Many took the profits at 10. We're back down to 4 as you can see now. But we've got this rumor, and it is a rumor, but it's from a credible source. Let's have a look at it. An increase of 325%. That was last week on the rumor of the partnership, Stellantis and Maserati. Of course, we know Henrik Fisker has a connection there. Fisker stock has been on a meteoric rise in recent days, posting an impressive 325% rise in just 5 days. A dramatic rise in share price appears to be fueled by rumors of a possible strategic partnership with Stellantis, potentially including luxury brand Maserati. As I say, we do know about the context with Henrik Fisker there. Context of the spectacular leap. Fisker, a recognized company in the field of electric vehicles, regularly attracts the attention of investors for its innovative designs and ambitious strategies for producing affordable and efficient electric cars. And the recent surge in its stock could transform the company's financial landscape, giving it the means to achieve its ambitions. We should find out today what's moving with Virgin Galactic, Fisker. It's all on the line today. It's either win big or lose everything, really. Details on on the partnership rumors. According to rumors, Fisker is in advanced discussion for a partnership with Stellantis, a multinational group with brands such as Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Chrysler in its portfolio. This partnership could notably concern collaboration on electric vehicle technologies or the joint production of new models. The involvement of Maserati, an emblematic brand of luxury and performance, indicates a possible orientation of Fisker towards the high-end electric segment. Potential implications for Fisker. Such a partnership would represent a significant opportunity for Fisker, allowing it to benefit from Stellantis' manufacturing expertise as well as its global distribution capabilities. Additionally, collaborating with a brand as prestigious as Maserati could also strengthen Fisker's position in the luxury electric vehicle market, a growing segment. Market reactions and future outlook. The market's enthusiasm over these rumors is palpable, as evidenced by the dizzying rise in Fisker stock. Investors appear optimistic about the company's future, anticipating that this partnership could significantly increase production capabilities and innovation at Fisker. The conclusion: although the details of the partnership remain unconfirmed and discussions could still evolve, the impact on these rumors on Fisker's valuation is undeniable. If these discussions result in a formal collaboration, it could mark a turning point for Fisker in its ambition to become a major leader in the premium electric vehicle sector for investors and fans of the sector. This is a development to follow with the greatest attention. So we're watching Fisker today. It's all about this deal. It's all about the delisting. It's all about reinsertion back into the index as well if we get the reverse split. A lot of information coming out. I'll bring it to you as quickly as possible. Please make sure you've subscribed and rung the bell and you've tapped the like button. Leave your comments below. I will reply to all of my members and help you in any way I can. Sometimes we have Members Day when I actually reply to you back with a video, so you get a lot more information if it requires it. Okay, click above my head for all the links down below in the description, over here and over here for more information in the series. We're about to get some news on Fisker. Which way is it going to go? Are you in or are you out? Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, we've done that. Excellent stuff. Let me see who's with me. 50% of you. How come only half of you watched it? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. You need to know what's happening for Virgin Galactic this morning, and we could have saved you some money as it's gone down. There you go. We put it out for you ahead of time. The members have it ahead of time, so they can always benefit from it. So make sure that you do take advantage of this. We have a members only video. If you look down here, there is a members only video. Where is it? There you go. Members only video. It was streamed live. There you go. It was a streamed live event. That was the... sorry, I beg your pardon, I'm looking wrong. This was the streamed event here. Members only got to see this video here. It also went out as its own video. Members were notified by email, notified by X, Instagram, Facebook, all the usual ways, of course, that you get information from YouTube as well. And this video will go live to the general public It will go live to the general public on the bell. So the general public will be able to see what Andy Shovel is doing. He's looking at buying more Virgin Galactic. So he wasn't that negative against it. So there's a little spoiler for you, but you need to go and see that before the bell. The rest of the general public are going to get, the non-members are going to get it on the bell. But all of you had it ahead of time. So don't miss out on those opportunities. You could have made some money. Okay, let me have a little look. Today, Fisker news may be. There's a little bit of news for you. Hello, everyone. Richard Gonzalez, Morning Traders. Is Andy Shovel okay? He's very well indeed. He's very well indeed. Andy M. AMC is on fire. I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. It's complete and utter ridiculous. It's just a gamble stock, and I don't have anything to do with stocks like that. Sorry, Adam. As a SMX shareholder, I would like to see what they could do for your friend at DMG, Diversified Mineral Group, in a double meet the CEO. Jay Long, well, you have the power to do that. I have a policy here. I don't contact any CEO. I never sell my services. They come to me. They come to me because they hear about what we're doing, and they hear about it through the investors. They want to hear from the investors. I don't want to come across as I'm trying to sell my services or anything like that. I just do what I do. The investors reach out via investor relations. You tag in the reviews I've done. There is a meet the CEO or invite the CEO video. It's below my analysis videos, but you can also search for it. Martyn Lucas, invite the CEO. There's an invitation video which you can attach and send to them. You can create social groups like Reddit or Facebook groups or whatever to excite the company and then tag them in it. Lots of ways. And when you get a bite, let me know. And once they've said to you they want to come on the show, then you can put them in contact with me and arrange the appointment. But yes, we'd love to have them on the show. That would be great to have them both at the same time. I agree. Jay Long, make it so. What will S&P 500 do this week as tech companies are overvalued and 30% of the S&P are tech companies? I get that, but we've had a big beat up recently because of the war. And as you can see, I bought it. That's why I'm up dramatically today, because I've got a lot of margin on the S&P and I'm happy to have it. Yes, seen the video. Darren Knight, great. Do Fisker, you saw the Virgin Galactic video. Great, you don't want to miss that. Does Fisker start fabrication again? We're waiting for more information. James 007. I watched the Andy Shovel video. I still think space could continue with flights at least once a month whilst they develop Delta in the background, says James. Perhaps also important to know is that there will be no reverse split on Fisker. They cancelled that meeting. Raman, there's no evidence of that. If you've got evidence of that, share that. That is really important. If you've got evidence of that, Raman, on links for YouTube, on Discord, share me that link. I would love to see that. If there's evidence of that, I would like to see it. I'm hoping for a Polestar turnaround. You lost too. Good morning to you. All right, here are all the links. Become a member and get priority, get a review done, get analysis done, earnings done. Answer all your questions, your comments. You get the concert on the Fridays. Many, many perks, of course, as a member. Right, now here is the all links button if you want the newsletter. If you missed the newsletter, it went out this weekend. If you didn't get it, maybe you've been unsubscribed. If you don't open the last any of the last 5, you'll be unsubscribed. It's on that link there. You can go and resubscribe. Here's the Facebook page and group for all those posts if you don't want to miss anything. Here's the music channel for Friday nights. Let me give you X as well. I post everything on X. And if you want to become a member, that's how you become a member of the channel. And then there's the video you need to watch, of course, when you become a member to know what all your perks are. All right, looking good this morning. Now we have another thing here. SMX. Are we ranking number 1 yet for SMX? Let me go into YouTube. We started to rank for it last week, didn't we? SMX stock. Let's have a look. SMX stock. Let's see if we're ranking for it now. Yes, we are now. Fantastic. We are now. Remember, I said to you we would rank number one for this stock. It takes a while. Sometimes it takes a little while. Sometimes we do it very quickly. Incognito mode. There we go. We was off the list. We are now second. Martyn Lucas Investor is number 2, and we're only behind a channel with 387,000 subscribers. So that's very, very good. We are ranking now for SMX. So, excuse me, itchy nose, which means if I put, is Asti finished, William? I'm waiting to speak to Asti on the show. They're going to be on the show shortly, so I doubt it. There you go, SMX. We are now number 2 in the world, incognito mode. And as you can see, my videos have now jumped to the top. SMX analysis, there's the first one. These were the ones that were at the top. We've knocked them off the top now. And there's SMX. There's SMX. Have we got any more? If we scroll down, there's probably more. I did 3, I think. There you go, SMX again. Right, so we're now ranking for SMX, number 2 in the world. Now it's time to push forward and become number 1 and get this story out. Kevin B has just sent me this. What is it? What is it? I've also got a important one here for Mr. Mankey. Okay, SMX, what have we got? What have you got for me? Visit site. SMX. Let's have a look. Flipping it. SMX seeks national security space footing via acquisition. November 16th. I'm not going to report that. That's past tense. I don't want to report that. That's some months ago. Thank you, Kevin B, for sending it in. But I'm not going to cover that news as it's already been covered. Let's go down here. What have we got here? We've covered that. Mr. Mankey, April 20th. Joe Biden, a tweet about... That is important. That is an important story. Ha! Okay, we like this. This is a good story. This is a good one. So we'll look at, I think, TLRY and SNDL. SNDL. Okay, so here we go. NVEX review. NVEX review. The NVEX review is here we go. Today I think. Yeah. If not today, tomorrow morning, you can jump to the top. But $1 you will be second. So you'll be today, 100%. 100%, $1 more, or if not tomorrow. Yep, going to do some reviews in a moment, actually. So let me bring this news to you first. So we've got TLRY and SNDL as well at 30. So let's put this on the screen. Let's go over to here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's your schedule? Darren Knight, I just answered that one. So there you go. I'll come back to you in a moment. So SNDL. Here we go. Right. Okay, here we go. All right, let's do this then. Here we go. Okay. Breaking news now for TLRY stocks, TLRY and SNDL. Why are they about to break out? They are both now undervalued, both good time to buy under $2. So we do like that. But we've got some movement, got some interesting story to share with you here on this stock and both of these stocks, all of this sector actually. So we're going to cover it right now. What do you think is going on this morning on these two brands? Well, there are a few in the brands in the sector, but we are particularly covering SNDL, TLRY in this review. But I've got some news for you. So if you want to know what it is, tap the like button and leave a comment below. I will reply to all of my members' comments, and got some interesting news for you, and it looks very, very interesting. I think you're going to like this one. So not for me, but for the little fellas. There you go. Wag the tails of our little fellas there. They're looking excited because we might have a story for you here just out. You're going to like this, and thank you very much for Mr. Mankey for sending this in to us. This has just come out. Joe Biden, Kamala Harris tweet at exactly 4:20 on 4:20. Obviously, this is going to be now, an election thing. This is going to be an election vote winner. There's no doubt about it. They're going to push this through now. You've got the senior members here pushing this through. They realize it's going to be a popular a vote winner, so they want to get it through. So President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris both touted their support for law reform to mark the holiday of April 20th, exactly 4:20 on Saturday. No coincidence that, by the way. Obviously, they're trying to get a lot of attention to it, and they're trying to use it as a vote winner. So I would brace yourself. This is why the market is down at the moment. People are taking profits, sold for a massive rally. That's my prediction. I'm expecting that's my guess. The comments are the latest sign that the administration plans to continue to focus on the popular rise ahead of November's election. There you go. I'm sure of it. Sending people to prison just for possession has upended too many lives and incarcerated people for conduct that many states no longer prohibit. The president said in a post on X, it's time that we right these wrongs. Okay, it's a vote winner. It's obviously going to happen. There's Joe Biden sending people to prison just for possession has upended too many lives and incarcerated people for conduct that many states no longer prohibit. Okay, it's time to put these wrongs right. Right, wrong. It's time that we right these wrongs. There we go. No one should be jailed. There you go. Did Kamala Harris as well? What else have we got here? Kamala Harris. There you go. At the same time. So there you go. Both have tweeted at the same time, making it an official thing. To be honest. Later on Saturday, Biden tweeted that he is urging all governors to pardon. To pardon prior offenses. No one should be in a federal prison solely due to possession. There you go. Joe Biden, I'm urging all governors to pardon. No one should be in prison. There you go. It's all coming out a day before on Friday. White House Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said Biden has been very, very clear about his support for decriminalization. God, this morning I'm really struggling with my words. I don't quite know why. Maybe it's age, I don't know. She added that the administration is waiting for the Justice Department to complete its review on scheduling and doesn't have any additional updates on advancing reform on further expanding pardons. Okay. She was responding to a question at a press briefing about advocates' criticism that Biden has not yet fulfilled his campaign pledge to decriminalization, even though he has taken meaningful steps by directing the scheduling review and granting hundreds of pardons. Look on decriminalization. The president has been very, very clear. He doesn't believe that anyone should be in jail for this. Okay, so I'm going to skip off this for a moment because we're running out of time, but I just wanted to bring you this breaking news, how things are about to change. The stocks are both down at the moment, as you can see. Both of these stocks are down. TLRY Brands, I've said before, is undervalued under $2. But I think that the actual better value is SNDL, if I'm honest. We did a full review on that. And if you want to check out that full review, you might want to do that. I think SNDL was the better value. But all of these stocks are going down at the moment. Now, it's not because it's a bad thing. It's because very often what happens is people took their profits, the stock has been driven down, and then it bounces back. Maximum amounts of profits are made that way. There you go. Have we got any more news on it? I think we're good. I think we'll leave that right there. Got a bit more news here. Let me just read this out to you. Look, there's a review that the Department of Justice is currently undergoing. So we've got to let them do their review, she said. The president has been pretty clear on where he stands on this. So I would refer to Department of Justice on rescheduling and the review. It's just got to go through process. While the administration has reportedly promoted Biden's rescheduling directives and pardons, especially in recent months as the presidential election approaches, this is going to be a vote winner. Now, you need to understand the difference here. It's not because anyone at the government cares about your shares. It's not what they're concerned about. What they are concerned about is winning your vote. And this will make headlines, of course. And a lot of people want this. So, of course, you're going to benefit from being an investor. The discussion is for the possession on the issue. Biden campaigned on decriminalization, but that specific language hasn't been employed of late. That might have to do with the reality that even moving the schedule to 3 as HHS as recommended would not, in fact, decriminalize it, nor to the president's clemency actions to date constitute a formal decriminalization policy. That's why a group of 20 justice and drug reform advocacy organizations called on Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris to publicly support the removal of this from the CSA rather than merely to move to a Schedule 3. In a letter to the White House on Tuesday, as a reporter referenced in his questions to Jean-Pierre on Friday. While the DEA has not given a specific sense of timing for when it will complete and submit its review, there are heightened expectations that it will come before November election. I really think so. Now, governments like to drag their feet on this, but I really do think it's a vote winner, and they're not going to want to leave it on the table, especially as the election is going to be so tight once again. The country is split, isn't it? Anyway, before the November election, both because of past precedent in scheduling matters and because the Biden administration has become increasingly vocal about its role facilitating the review. Biden has continued to tout scheduling directive and pardons he issued, including a presidential proclamation declaring April since Second Chance Month. The president also discussed actions in a historic context last month during his State of the Union address. Harris, meanwhile, separately urged DEA to finish its review and reschedule as quickly as possible while meeting pardon recipients for a roundtable event at the White House last month behind closed doors. She also said, "We need to legalize." The head of the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, under HHS, told congressional lawmakers last week that there's no reason for DEA to delay on scheduling on a scheduling decision. A DEA official recently said it sometimes takes up to 6 months for DEA to complete its analysis of health officials' scheduling recommendations, which is just about how long it is now since the agency began its current assessment. So are we imminent for a decision? That's interesting. That's a good point. Meanwhile, last month, HHS Secretary Xavier Becerra defended the agency's scheduling recommendation during a Senate committee hearing and also told lobbyist Don Murphy that he should pay DEA a visit and knock on their door to answer about the timing of the decision. A lot of pressure here being put on the timing. It's like people are getting really like, let's get this done, people. Certain DEA's officials are reportedly resisting the Biden's administration's scheduling push, disputing the HHS findings on the safety profile and medicinal potential, according to unnamed sources who spoke with the Wall Street Journal. Meanwhile, a Democratic congressman said on Friday that this Saturday will be the last 420 celebration of this will be on Schedule 1. There you go. Look, real push for this now, adding that he's quite confident the GOP House will take up a bipartisan banking bill if lawmakers break this loose in the Senate. So there you go. It's all about to happen, in my opinion, because it's a vote winner. It's fun, isn't it, how an election can suddenly focus our politicians to do what the people want, isn't it? Anyway, there you go. SNDL and TLRY. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. If you tap the like button, have you subscribed yet? Not for me, of course, but for the little fellas. It's very, very important. The little fellas love it. And some people got upset the other day that we wasn't including the little ladies as well. We have those as well, yes. It's not just the little fellas. The little ladies are here as well. Yes, they're very excited about all of this. So there you go. Are we about to make some money with this sector? I think so. So if you like this, please do make sure that you have commented and shared this video out. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. And over here you'll find more information in the series. Strongly recommend you go and check out my full review, the difference between SNDL, Aurora, TLRY. TLRY is great, but SNDL came out on top. You might want to know before this final push which one, or maybe you'll get a bit of both. Who knows? Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, 20 minutes to go. Thank you for that information sent in. Let me scroll down. Let's scroll down. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's your schedule? We got that one. Should we be investing in America? Comprises because America makes it legal. Jose Quintana, I think it's the right time now. Hope you all got in on AGBA. Lance Strength. Sorry, not play. I don't know why my speech-to-text writes play. No worries. Good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. Jose Quintana, lovely to have you here. Everyone saying crash, that's when I load. Yes, indeed, of course. Let's go back to my main position. There's my portfolio up again today. We're making all-time highs again today. Are you kidding me? April 20th is a holiday created by the people, not the government or officials. I dislike that. Might be good for business, but it's irritating because, come on, people. Made that holiday, says Seth Houston. How likely is this bill to pass Republican majority Congress and a House of Representatives? I say it's going to happen. It's a vote winner. No one wants to get in the way of it. Martin, you're struggling with your words because you have not been drinking enough tea this morning. Time for a refreshing cup of tea. You're absolutely right. James 007. Absolutely right, James. I couldn't agree more. Cheers, mate. How are you? And now the words come out wonderful. Look at that. Excellent. Thank you, James. I appreciate that very much indeed. It's our little tradition, mate, isn't it? There we go. Okay, let's come back to the main show. That's the extra channel. If you're not a member on the extra channel yet, you should be. Green tea. Oh no, flipping heck no. I'm an Englishman. What are you on about? Black tea with milk. Tea without milk is merely vegetable soup. All right? Let's get that absolutely clear. All right? No issue there. Right. Morning all. Good morning all. Nonny 315. Do they plan to excuse people's records too? Because if that's the case, I was my record strip clean. If others are getting out of jail, I knew then the law broke. If they did the same. Seth Houston, I like it. Hi family, Stacy Bailey, good morning to you. A lot of support for Sensei yesterday. We love that. Good morning everyone. Good morning all. Good morning John Granford. Good morning Martin. Cheers Martin. Thank you James. I also understand people get the wrong side of the book a lot of time, which is unfair. Life is unfair, right? Okay, now then. Did you see the Andy Shovel space video? 49% of you did. Of course, it is for members only. There was a live stream and a video. The general public have just been released. It's just been released now for the general public. You saw earlier the interview, and this interview here should now, let me refresh it. This interview, which was members only, you see, it's members only. If I refresh the screen, it should now be available to the general public if I've got all my technology working properly. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. See? It's gone. It's now members only. Right? See, the live stream was members only. It was a live event. Then the video came out to the members only. But now the video is available for everyone. And there you go. It's just out. You've got to go and see it. You've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. We gave everybody, all the members had a heads up. Members get a lot of videos now ahead of time. They get priority information. Of course, this show has 98% of members, and we want to give everyone the best possible service. So your membership goes to keeping me up late at night, editing, up in the morning, early mornings, doing all the reviews and all these things, and earnings and all the rest of it. So thank you for all your support. But the video is now out to the general public. Now then, in case you missed this as well, just out a few moments ago, we got some reviews done for you. We've got the halving chart technical analysis, how to trade Bitcoin now. Sensei did that for you. We had a full chart analysis for Virgin Galactic. That works hand in hand with Andy's Shovel interview. So you need to go and watch that. Andy might be buying this morning, which is interesting, right? One of the largest retail investors in the world. We did a ton chart. I think this was requested by Stacy Bailey. I think so. I think Stacy, or was it Micron? It might have been Micron. I did see somebody, I think it was Stacy, did a $20 super chat for Sensei to do a full analysis. So what we did, it was either Ton or Micron. We turned it into a full video for you so you can go and check it out. So I introduce it, Sensei does his thing, and then I close it out. So it's now its own video. That way it can trend by itself and draw attention to the asset, okay? Was it Micron? Which one was it, Stacy? It was Micron or Ton, one of the two. Anyway, I did it for you. It's now gone out as its own video. All right, Robinhood chart. We've just done that, and there's the interview. Right, I thought so. And thank you for supporting the Sunday show, Stacy, very much indeed. It all goes into getting these videos done, working overtime, and all the rest of it. Anyway, Yorkshire cup of tea. Either PG tips, either Tetley's or Yorkshire. To be honest, I don't mind. It really doesn't matter. Good morning, everyone. Martin, have you discussed DMG any more this morning? No, I haven't. I haven't discussed it any more this morning. Casey, no, I haven't. Would you like me to? We are expecting Jefferson Boots on the show to explain more. I will message him today, actually, and I know a number of you are asking questions about the what's it called? The convertible note, and some of you were confused. I did notice. I think it was KMS. was talking in Discord about the confusion with the 0.0001 per share rate. That's because this price is not set. Okay, and some of you were concerned, is this a real thing? Look, guys, it's a real thing. Jefferson Boots is my friend. I know him. I've bought it myself. My friends that I know in person, who I play in their houses, they have also bought it. It's a real thing. It's not a scam. It's not 0.001 value. It's because it hasn't got a price assigned to it yet on the New York Stock Exchange. It's a private company. All right, you are buying a convertible note. You're not buying shares. You're buying financial value. So if you spend $1,000, you have $1,000 worth of that company. It's not been given a share price yet. When it goes public, which it will shortly, it'll have an IPO. It will go live and all those things, and all of you will already own the value in money terms of the stock. Now, what it means is if you put $1,000, say, into Diversified Mineral Group, you have $1,000 worth of that company, what that value is, okay? $1,000. When you immediately get a 10% benefit, you immediately make 10%. That's a thank you for doing it. So your 1,000 turns into 1,100 to be able to purchase those stocks. Those shares don't exist yet. It's going to go on the public traded stock market, the New York Stock Exchange, and then you will have the money. You'll have 1,100 to buy the shares. On top of that, you get a 30% discount when you convert. So you convert your convertible note into shares. It's now a publicly traded company. You've got 1,100 from your 1,000, and now you get a 30% discount to buy the stock, whatever it is, and then you can sell it if you want to. But I'm not going to be selling mine, of course, because gold is going up through the roof over this next year. So your value of what you're buying is already going up, even though you don't know it yet. That's what it's all about. So that 0.001 is just a number that, you 0.00001. It's just a number you have to put in. You have to put something in. It's just a clerical admin thing. It's not the value. It doesn't mean you're going to get $1 gazillion when it goes public. That's not the value of the share. All right. All convertible notes will have the same number on them. All right. Anyway, let's scroll down. So I hope that answers a bit of your question, but we will get a lot more information when Jeff comes on, and I want to explain this so we're absolutely clear. This deal is between you and Jefferson Boots. I have given you the CEO's personal email. I'm not involved in this. I'm not a broker in this. I'm not, a middleman. I'm not getting commission. I'm not responsible for your trades. It's your responsibility to understand what you're doing. You are buying a private business. Okay. Now, if that private business disappears tomorrow and doesn't go public, then you lose your money. So do I, by the way, just so you know. And I've got no issue. I know the guy. I know where he lives. He's my friend, and I bought it. But yeah, that is the reality. If Jefferson Boots got on a plane and went to Outer Mongolia and you never saw him again, you'd lose your money. So yes, that's right. But that's not going to happen. However, it's nothing to do with me. I'm just sharing with you what I am doing, giving you the opportunity to buy a private company. If you want to, you do. If you don't, you don't. It's there for you to decide upon. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Hello, Michael N. Good morning. Sent you a Discord message. Well, one last night. Sorry, but thank you, and one this morning. All right, let me go and have a quick look. We've got 8 minutes. You've sent me a message, have you? Stacy Bailey. Let's have a look. A picture. We got a picture from Stacy Bailey of the dog. Oh, yes. We got a picture of the dog. But what we have got also is the 1 day mug. A member on day 1 in nice shiny red. Stacy Bailey. Right, I've got to save that, because that will go in Rogue's Gallery for all the mugs. All right. Thank you, Stacy Bailey. Save image. Yes, Stacy. Let me do that. Stacy. JPG on JPEG. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm putting together a rogues gallery of all those of you that have the mug. Thank you very much indeed. No more links for YouTube. No, I'm up to date. Good, 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 good. Right. Okay. Thank you, Stacy, for that. It was me. Yes, I put 1,000 in it yesterday. Toncoin. There we go. We just did a full review for you. All right. Jefferson Boots will block your number if you keep disrupting him. Yes. Jefferson's Boots' email was given to my friend, to the members only. Please do not share that email out. He's the owner of the gold mine. He's not going to appreciate everyone sharing the email. Yes, of course he'll block you, or his secretary will. But yeah, been hearing about diversified mineral groups since October, but no cigar. Boots isn't getting the investment to go public. Yes, he is. Alex is not one of our members, and he's spreading. Right, Alex Wardle, I'm not having you in here spreading false information about credible information. You're promoting and pumping Boots' stock because you're also an investor. Right, Alex Wardle, I'm going to block you from my channel because what you're doing is spreading false information. I do not benefit from the stock, you buying this stock. I brought this to my members as a perk, all right? You're not even a member. I do not appreciate you spreading false information. Jeff is a friend of mine, and I am sharing a personal experience with my members. You don't have to do it. It doesn't benefit me whether it goes up or down or sideways. I'm not bothered. I'm here to help people. If you don't want it, don't be involved. In fact, yeah, thank you, Mike. I'm going to go further. I'm not going to have anyone coming on my show discrediting anything. So we're not having that. We're not having that at all. Yeah. So, yes. Delete his comments and time him out, Alex. Mike. If he comes back and repeats that, I will block him from YouTube full time. I'm not having anyone do that. All right. I am here to help people. It's got no benefit to me whether you buy the stock or not. And it certainly doesn't bother Jefferson Boots. Let me just be absolutely clear. This is Jefferson Boots doesn't, let me just put it politely. Jefferson Boots doesn't need your money. Okay. Alex, he doesn't need your money, right? He's a friend of mine, and I have invested in this company, and I don't care whether it goes up, down, or sideways. Right? I'm not here to promote the stock. I'm here to share my friends and my experiences with my members. Not you, Alex. This isn't for you anyway. So be absolutely confident that I'm bringing you what I am doing myself, what I believe in. And that's it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. But don't come on here and discredit our members. I will not tolerate that. Ridiculous. Okay, what we've got, 3 minutes. Ban Citadel Securities investing, investors, stocks. What do you think? I don't know anything about that. I need to research it. Raman, Martin, check Fisker agenda. That meeting has been cancelled. Nothing more is planned for April. If you want me to cover it, send me the link. Raman, don't say go off and Google it. I'm doing a show. I don't like when people say go and Google something. It's like, that's why we have members, Raman. I'm you know, I'm doing the show and answering every question. I can't go on your request. Go and Google something. You Google it and send it in if you want me to cover it. All right. I can't do everything. That's the point of the family. Well, dog picture was a Lucas's prayer request, not just. Well, the dog's picture was a Lucas's prayer request, Not, I don't know what you mean. What do you mean? What, the dog's praying or what? I don't know what you mean. Stacy Bailey. Stacy's going, it's not just a dog picture. It's a Lucozade prayer request. I don't know what that means. Have I missed the point? Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. I need to read this. Please ask the Lucozades for all their prayers. I apologize. I didn't read it correctly. I didn't read this correctly. Hang on. Please ask the Lucozades for all their prayers for me tonight. NYX, my German Shepherd, who had surgery to get fixed, has become very sick in the past 6 hours and may be septic from her surgery. She will go to the vet, recheck first thing in the morning. So I may miss the show. I will be doing fluids, food, antibiotic all night. So your prayers would be much love. Thank you. Stacy Bailey. Oh, Stacy, I hope you're still with me. I feel terrible now. I didn't read it, did I? There you go. I didn't read it. I get a bit rushed sometimes. So let me... Thank you, Scolding Hot. Stacy, are you still with me? Stacy, are you still with me? I've got 10 seconds. Stacy, are you with me? Please come back to me. Are you here? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Stacy Bailey, are you with me? Okay. I was thinking, oh my gosh, I've upset Stacy now. That'd be horrible. No. Everybody, please. Stacy Bailey's fur baby, little dogler, isn't very well. And of course, I didn't realise. I just went, we've got a dog picture. Stacy Bailey's dog is not very well. Would everyone please send some love? Here you are. Prayers for Stacy's little fella. Okay, come on everybody. Help me out here. All right. Let's go. Stocks are up this morning. Green Day approaching an all-time high. Let's go for our positions. Virgin Galactic, we gave you the warning. The chart was there. You could have all made money on this. We hope you watched the video last night. It was out for you, and there it was. The information we predicted is going down to 50 cents. It's going down. The information was all there for the members last night. Let me go through all our positions. I hope you all saw it. Hopefully you took your profit if you did a trade on it. Palantir, gold going down today, 2.1. The S&P is up but pulling back. Amazon flying up today, 1.86. Apple is up today, 0.25%. Nextera Energy is up 0.39. Enphase Energy, we're going to cover the earnings tomorrow, is up 0.63. Coca-Cola is down today. J&J is going down, is up, pulling back. Kenvue is moving up. Chevron is down 0.37. Tesla is going down 139. We told everybody about it. Put the information out. Told you over and over again. I keep telling everybody. Very few people listen. We've got the earnings tomorrow. Expect big drama. Where is the Tesla information? I put it out. Tesla facts. There it is. Keep telling people. No one, the bulls do not care. They do not listen, even though Elon Musk has told you himself. So more fool you for not paying attention. Dreaming and just making up numbers to inflate yourself is ridiculous. You'll always lose. Tesla, it's a great company, but it's overbought, and now everyone's paying the price. Rivian going down. It just follows Tesla all the time. McDonald's is up today. Google going up, shooting up. Microsoft going up. Let's open NVIDIA as well. Let's have a look at that. Duplicate NVIDIA. Robinhood. NVDA. Let's get through quickly. We want to get through all NVIDIA moving up. All the tech stocks. Space down is now down 6%. It's now, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. The information was there. Walmart, TLRY Brands is flat. Robinhood is going up. IonQ is going up. Rocket Lab pulling back. Plug Power coming down. Rumble coming back down. Funware, FFIE flat today. Rocket Lab, Rio Tinto going down. Bitcoin, let me refresh Bitcoin, give that a better image. Polygon is up today. Bitcoin is up today. XRP is up. And SNDL, let's look at Nikola as well. Nikola today is down 63 cents now. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, there we go. Another green day for all of us. Michael N has just become a member. You could have all made money. Oh dear, oh dear. I tried my best. We did our absolute best to save people from this. We tried our best, and I hope you all took your profit because it was there to be made. Anyway, SPCE. Dear, oh dear. Let's read the comments. Fisker, take out the trash. Yeah, we got rid of that idiot. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Crag, block him, Martin, and don't put no more thought into him. You're better than that. Thank you, David. Don't waste your breath. Keep moving. Let's make money. Thank you, Robson Lopes. I know who Jefferson Boots is. He's part of the Dallas royalty. He is. One of my friends. I play in their houses. I've done Mark Cuban's house. He's a billionaire. I've played in Jerry Jones's event. He's also a billionaire. Yeah, I know the right people, and I bring them to you. But I don't bring them to you. All right? All right. That's right. Good luck, everyone. This is where I live. These are my friends, and I'm sharing my friends with you. It's okay. Eric, there we go. I just reported that. As far as I'm concerned, you don't have to say anything about it, but it might be interesting for your members. Yes, Raman, that's important. I'm going to go to that in a minute. Prayers, Ed Nevius, good luck, everyone. Don't feel terrible. You have a lot on your plate. It's all good. I appreciate you a lot. Prayers to your dog. There we go. More important. There you go. More important. Prayers for the little fella. Stacy Bailey, I hope he gets well. Yeah, there you go. Takes a lot to upset me. She is doing better this morning, but every little helps. There you go. Prayers coming from everywhere. Virgin Galactic Virgin Galactic, the new FSR. Will it be VGN? Hoping your fur babies do well. Michael N has just become a member. Michael N, I'm going to give you the video you have to watch. It's the how and why and all your members' perks and benefits. How you get onto Discord, how you can phone in, how you can get reviews, how you can have earnings, the free concert on Friday. The list goes on and on and on. There is your how and why video. Would everybody please welcome Michael N to the family? If he comes onto Discord, we'll upgrade him. Seth Hughes, I learned the first from IonQ. Morning all, might invest in a local company. Michael N, there we go. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, family. Glad to see green today. Okay, here we go. Virgin Galactic. I've got to put this out. We got a really bad price prediction here. Okay, SPCE, an hour and 7. SPCE, 1 hour 7. All right. Okay. Virgin Galactic, breaking news here this morning. As you can see, we are down again. I did my very best. Sensei did his very best to warn you of this. We did everything we could for our members. And if you were a member, you'll know most of my members I've taken profit, I believe. Let me share with you what we did. So we had news here today. Last night, it went out last night for you. Sunday night, it was a special. It went out in our newsletter. We had an interview interview. It was members only with Andy Shovel, talking about what he feels about the stock, where we see it going. 50 cents, we reckon the stock's going to. If it goes to 50 cents, we then think it will go bankrupt. But we've got Andy here who's looking at buying the stock at this level and trading it. So we put that out. Now it's no longer a members only video, but we put it out Sunday. We had a special Sunday morning interview live for all the members. It then went out as its own video to all the members. It's now public to the general. It's now available to the general public, but it went out on the bell. So you missed that news. You need to make sure that you keep up to date with what is going on. We also did this morning for you, very, very important. We put this out as well, recorded over the weekend. This was available to everyone. We did a Virgin Galactic chart of why we believe it's going to 50 cents, the full technical analysis from Sensei, plus the interview. You had everything you needed this morning to make money from this and trade it down, lower your averages, get back in again. We hope you got in, we hope you got out, but we see it going to 50 cents. And if it goes to 50 cents, we anticipate it going bust. Okay. So all the information is out. If you want those links for those videos, they are out now. It's still relevant. Go and check it out. The link's above my head, down below in the description. Over here, you'll see the full chart analysis and the interview, which is now available to the general public. It was out like a day early for our members. There you go. You can become a member for just a couple of bucks on the extra channel. It's just 99 cents. And you would benefit from some of this stuff. So anyway, there you go. Until next time, be careful. Virgin Galactic now is a trading stock, a scalp trading stock. 50 cents, we see it going to, and if it does, it's more likely then to go bust. It's going to follow Virgin Orbit. We certainly hope not, but Virgin Galactic have done it to themselves, in my opinion. What do you think? Go and listen to what Andy thinks. He thinks the opposite of me. He has a different opinion to me, and you might want to go and check it out. Click above my head, down below, over here, and over here. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Welcome, Michael. Sinking ship, Virgin, DYX halted. I think Sensei said on Sunday that it was a good buy zone. Yes, it's a good buy zone to trade. Very, very different. Hello, everyone from Oxford in England. Michael N., welcome to you. I'm actually from Cornwall. Michael, are you one of our regulars? Your image looks familiar. You and that lady, is that your girlfriend and wife? You've been here regularly, haven't you? You just become a member. I think you've been here for quite a while. Am I right? Anyway, you've got your brand new badge. It's green. It will turn 1 month in 1 month. Anyway, links for YouTube. Let's see if we have some more information. Where did you send the information? Scalding hot. High electric vehicle. Fisker cancels investor meeting. Oh dear, really? I've got evidence of it now. Okay. This isn't good. Virgin Galactic is absolutely tumbling. There it goes. Awful, 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 awful. Since our relationship went sour with Eric Kearney, the stock is just going down and down and down and down and down. Nothing to stop it now. Anyway, let's go back to here. It's a green day today. The markets are green. Terrible. Okay. Fisker, FSR. Thank you very much for sending this in. FSR. So here we go. The time is 1:07. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Fisker, I've got some bad news this morning, I'm afraid. This is not good. Just out. You're not going to like it, but it is what it is. Earlier on, we put out some news about the rumor of the Maserati deal. That was on Friday. Just after that, though, we had some news just after that to say the worst news, of course. Let me share with you. Tap the like button if you want to know what the news is and you want to be kept up to date. But this would explain why the stock has gone down today. 4 cents. It's not looking good at all for Fisker. I'm sorry to say. The news is Fisker cancels investor meeting originally planned for April 24th. That was what we were all holding on for. I hope you took the profit. I told everyone you can go and check my videos. We bought in at 2, we sold it at 10. I said, scalp it, get out and take your profit. If you don't believe me, go and check my videos. I told you over and over again, take the profit. A great profit, a 500% profit there. This is what's just happened. It's just been confirmed. Fisker, the electric vehicle startup, has scrapped its scheduled investor meeting for April 24th, with the event now absent from the company's agenda as per the investor relations website. There it is. It's gone. There is no vote. There is no meeting. That can't be good. Now, again, I want to always bring everything into context and balance. There's always more to the story. That doesn't mean because there's no meeting, the company are bust. We've always said it's more than likely going to go bust, but there's always a chance that it may not. We've always said there's a chance, but there's a definite chance to scalp it and make money. My members who are on my channel made 500% if they bought in at 2 and sold at 10. Not everyone did that, but many of you did. You had all those pre-videos, pre-announcements, pre-technical charts available. So hopefully you did make 500%, get some of your money out. But this is not good. Initially, shareholders were poised to vote on 3 proposals. The first 2 intending to authorize the issuance of additional shares. The third proposed aimed at implementing a reverse stock split ranging from 1 to 10 to 1 to 50, potentially aiming to boost the share price back to $1. As of today, it is still unknown if the meeting will be scheduled for a later date or if this was cancelled. Again, like I say, this doesn't mean it's not going to happen. It's just not going to happen when we expected it. So this is not good news today, but it doesn't mean it's over. Some people will now say, that's it, it's all done. And maybe it is. The chances are it probably is. 99% chance the company is going bust. However, there is that chance, and there is the chance to trade the stock, potentially. Remember, I'm not in it. I'm not pumping it. I'm not dumping it. I don't own it. I wouldn't buy a stock. I only own the S&P for full integrity. And I wouldn't buy this right now. This is way too risky, but I'm just giving you the facts. In the proxy filed by Fisker, the company emphasizes that the reverse stock split proposal aims to increase the trading price to meet the minimum per share price requirement for continued listing on the New York Stock Exchange. As you can see, they put this information out about the filing, about what they were going to do, and of course, it's not happening now. Fisker has recently announced new dealer partnerships in the US. We heard about that. We heard about the news that we're going to get the deal with, potential deal with Maserati and Stellantis, the whole branch there. But not confirmed yet. The company has now 6 dealer partnerships located in the US and Miami. As of today, Fisker has dealer partnerships in Denmark, Austria, France, Germany, Norway, and Switzerland. The company said recently it remains committed to deliver an exceptional Fisker experience. Well, that's all very well and good, but will the company be around much longer? Anyway, there we go. There is the update this morning. I brought it to you. Thank you ever so much for one of my members who sent that in to me. I appreciate the Lucas Aids, the army. We're here always looking out for people. We're trying to get the latest information. Members get the information ahead of time. We work late in the night, early in the morning to bring you all the information so you can trade successfully and consistently make money. As we do here. This is my portfolio. We're up again today, hitting all-time highs. We're just about to hit another all-time high, which is great. There you go, Fisker. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, over here and over here for more information. Until next time, As always, take care of yourselves and each other. Thank you very much for sending that in. I really do appreciate it a lot. Thank you, Scolding Hot. That was sent in by Scolding Hot. Let's come back to here. We've got reviews to do today as well. Let's have a look. I got 5,000 shares. Ramen, let's hope. Fisker remains over the counter because they are convinced that it will survive without doing a reverse split. Very good news. And even better news is likely to follow this week. Ramen, well, send it in if you've got it. Plug Power and Blink are also down. Wow, Charge Point dropped nearly 4%. Down 8,000 on Virgin Galactic. Oof, what a joke management it has been. Brian Griffin, yeah. I'm sorry for those losing money on Virgin Galactic. Yes, but the information was there. You didn't need to. No, I'm new to it all, but watching for a couple of weeks now. I thought I recognized you. Anyway, thank you very much. Obviously not when it's down 8% today. I would touch this after the split. Bottoms out at 50 cents. Hello everyone from Oxford, England. Let me scroll on down. That was your tone is puzzling. My tone is puzzling. Well, there you go, Martin. This is actually excellent news. Martin D's is actually excellent news for Fisker. How is that good news for Fisker? I don't see it as good news for Fisker. A reverse split would not be bad news. Gamma, indeed. No reason to try and relist yet. News. Virgin Galactic is going to be operating out of my garden shed in an attempt to save money. You won't get retail investing in Fisker because the majority of retail brokers don't support OTC trading. Another proof that is important, who you listen to. Ram, I'm not sure I know what you mean. Hi, good morning, Sensei. Sensei, all your videos are out. Helped a lot of people this morning. They went out early. Virgin Galactic, like we said, has gone down. The prediction of 50 cents looks likely. There's nothing to stop it now. I don't see what can stop it. Breaking Virgin Galactic management is still rubbish. Jeffrey Diamond, yes, hit the like if you're growing your gains. Supercom, 40 million volume. Down she goes. Virgin Galactic, over and over again. Another green day. We should be hitting all-time highs in a few moments' time. 75.8 is an all-time high. We're at 75.3. We bought the war dip. The war dip, we bought it. And as you can see, we've been making gains on it. It doesn't look like the war in the Middle East is, well, like I've said over and over again, I do not believe 100% we'll ever have a World War III. Ever. I don't think we will. It doesn't make any sense. It's not like World War II. It's not like World War I. World War III makes no sense. It wouldn't happen. I don't think so. Other than a mistake. Leah, thank you very much for my coffee. Other than a terrorist attack or someone gets a hold of weapons they shouldn't have, anything like that. Other than that, I don't think we will. Right. Now then, we've got reviews to do. I feel like the only one with a red day. I'm sure that's not the case. Seth Houston, I'm sure that's not the case at all. I doubt that very much. Let's go for all our positions. Virgin Galactic still going down. Terrible. The information was there. Let me see if anyone. Let's see if anyone got that news this morning. We put out. It was done for you on Sunday. 22,302. Always get people unsubscribe when you say bad news. Always. Every single time. Don't care. All right. And we'll give you the facts. We're not here to grow subscribers. We love to grow. We want to gain. We want to get bigger. But we want to be better. We always want to learn and be better. And people don't like when you say bad news. But it's, we're going to put the facts out there. Simple as that. Let me see. There you go. There you go. Virgin Galactic interview with Andy Shovel. There we go. It just went public this morning, as you can see. It's just getting viewed now. People are catching it now. And Virgin Galactic, there it is. Sensei, your chart is proving really helpful to people. I'm so glad. Virgin Galactic, look, this is the chart that was done by Sensei. It has just gone out, and you can see it's had 51 views in the first, not even half an hour, actually. That's very good. Thank you, Sensei, for that information. It's helping a lot of people. We think it's going to 50 cents. Anyway, there we go. So all I wanted to do was see if everybody got that information, and they did, which is what I want. I want everyone to know what's going on. That's a bold statement, Vincent Vosberg. The next generation is weak, and someone will always want what you have. This MOBX is going to make a new move today, says Kevin B. I agree with Vincent. Okay, now then, have we got any more news to cover? Nothing for links for YouTube, so I'm going to make some reviews for my members. Now then, we've got some events coming up that you don't want to miss, all right? We know that Virgin Galactic is where that's going today. There's not much point in keep going on about it. The reviews are out, the charts are out, the interviews out. It's all there for you. I'm going to get these reviews done. SPC is skyrocketing just the opposite direction. SPC is skyrocketing. Donald Trump what? Oh, I see. Space is skyrocketing, but in the wrong direction. Okay. I think I get your comedy there. All right. Okay. Now then, tomorrow, the April the 23rd, Scalding Hot requested an early event tomorrow morning. Upcoming live stream. In the morning, we're going early. Here is the closing bell this afternoon. Early tomorrow morning, there is AGNC. AGNC is the earnings tomorrow morning. We're going to be covering that tomorrow morning for you. AGNC, early earnings in the morning. We also have, and I'm going to put it out later on today, tomorrow, I think I've put a video out about it actually. Tomorrow after hours on the Extra channel, we have Sensei is doing the Tesla earnings on the, there it is. There's the information. The Tesla earnings is on the Extra channel tomorrow. I'm really jealous, actually. I want to hear what Elon Musk has to say. I think it's going to be a violent earnings, but I think I think Sensei is the best to do it because he will give you those charts and those numbers, and which is not what I do. So look, see the volatility. It's going to be crazy leading into tomorrow's earnings. So join Sensei for that. I'm going to give everybody the link for that now. If you want to make sure that you've got your questions in for Sensei for tomorrow. So let me do that now. Let me give you the link for the Tesla earnings after hours on this on the Extra channel. Now I'm going to be covering Enphase Energy's earnings. Enphase Energy's earnings on this channel. But on the Extra channel, here it is. If you want to go there now, you might want to be in here, leave questions for Sensei for his chart analysis. There is the upcoming live streams on the Extra channel. There it is. Let me give you the link for it. You can go and click notify. There's already a like on it. Who's going to be the first person to leave a comment after me? There you go. Who's going to be the first one after me? Let me give you the link for it. This is the Tesla earnings, the official earnings. There you go. In the chat for you. Let me give it to my Rumble audience as well. We are now live on Rumble, and my audience is growing there every day, and I'm soon, if it continues like this, going to have the Extra channel on Rumble at the same, like we do with YouTube. I just need a few more people to follow me to justify the investment, having to pay 2 subscriptions to restream. But I will do it if my channel on Rumble continues to grow. Right, did I just see some information just come in? Someone just said to me they are now a member on Discord. Let me have a little look. Just bought 260 shares with $200 at 76 cents, holding 11,000. Wow. You are a brave man today. Our dear friend, Zach Zay, of course. We think it's going to 50 cents. We hope it doesn't, but that's where it would suggest. You bought more. You've lowered your averages. You're all in now, aren't you? I mean, it's an amazing opportunity if it works out right. Sensei does think it's a buy. I hope, Zach Zay, that you watch the video. He does give it a buying opportunity, but does recommend that you trade it, though. Maybe what you can do is if you use the lot selling, don't sell the old shares for a loss. But what you can do is on a separate, maybe on your Roth IRA, a separate account, buy these to trade scalp free to lower your averages and get money out of Virgin Galactic. So even if the worst comes to the worst, you might end up covering your losses. So, on your Roth IRA, your separate account, buy at 77, maybe sell it at 80, 90, whatever. Keep doing that over and over again. That's what I did with Virgin Orbit. I got a lot of my money back before it went bankrupt. But don't sell the old shares because there'll be a loss, of course. Anyway. Michael N has just joined Discord. So, Michael, did you follow the rules of what you need to do on Discord? It says you've become a member, but in that video it tells you what to do. Here is the link to Discord, and here is the friend request. Send me a there you go. There's a link to YouTube. Send me a friend request. Make sure it's to me, not somebody else called Martyn Lucas, because somebody will scam you. There are people on Discord who try to do that, and they can't use the same username. I'm the only person who can, but they do pretend with the display name and the logo. Okay, but we always ban those people, but they do still exist. So you said you're on Discord now. I need your username so I can upgrade you. You are a member, and I can give you the upgrade information. But I need you on Discord. I need you to friend request me with your username. I do have a message just come in. Friend request. This could be you. Pending. Michael N. Incoming friend request. All I need now, Michael, is you to give me your Discord username in the YouTube chat so I know it's you. All right. I see a friend request here. So, Michael, give me your username. I want to make sure it's you. I don't want anyone to pretend and all the rest of it. I can see a Michael here. Yep, 606. There you go. Thank you for being so efficient and doing everything properly. I really appreciate it. Same name, all that stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to the members, and I'm going to search for you here. Let's make sure that you've joined. You have. There you are. We verified you. You are a YouTube member. And as long as you say a YouTube member, you'll have access to our service. We're going to now give you YouTube member. There you go. You can now get all the information ahead of time. You can call into the show. You can, you're verified. You can get all of Ed Nevis's training. It's free. You don't pay for it. It's all provided. There you go. I've done your nickname. It's right anyway. Go to friend requests. I can accept that. Michael, and if you've watched the video, you will know that I give you 2 words and 2 words only. So you know it's me. All done. There you go. Done. I can delete that. You are now in. Now then, Michael, so you know what you get now. You can now see Sensei's Crypto Tips. You can now see that. Very, very busy channel. Ed Nevius provides training, scalp tips, scalp trading. He provides a formal education that he has paid to learn, provides it to you for free. We don't charge for training here. We give it you for free. You are now a YouTube member, so you get that. You can also see. You can also do things like YouTube Live when we go live, so you don't miss a show. YouTube premieres, show news, things I update, links for YouTube. You can become a researcher now. Things that you want me to cover on the show. If you want me to talk about a stock, if you want me to make a video on it, links for YouTube. Share it with me. I'll cover your favorite stocks, suggestions, things you want me to do. Crypto news, breakfast bar every morning. Our members sending great pictures. Michael Cole Glazy decided what's next for investors. Look at that. Crag, yes. This is the breakfast bar this morning. There's Mike. That looks wonderful. Look, member for one on day one. Look at that. He's got his, that's a lovely picture, by the way. I like the way that's lit. I like the way it blurs the background. That's a lovely picture. That looks lovely. Look at that. Fried egg on toast. Leah makes me that a lot. That's the food of champions there, mate. General chit chat. Please keep everything on context, so you're in the right channel. That'll be great. There you go. You are now a new member of our channel. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Okay. Let's come back to the main trading. Thank you. You're very welcome. Zach Zay, I have faith as well. Virgin Galactic, 77 cents. Now going down yet further. Did you check out the chart? I hope you did. We've got reviews to do now. We've got to get onto that. Zach Zay, I have faith, said Stacy Bailey. We're all with Zach. He's one of our dear friends of the channel, and we don't want to see him lose any more money. I have to go now. Good luck, everyone. Mike, have a wonderful day. Thank you for being here. Right. We're green. About to hit another all-time high. 75.4 is our level at the moment. We're at 75.8 is an all-time high. We're getting a bounce back from the war. I bought the dip. I put the information out there. I hope you all did the same thing. Okay. Let's go through our positions. Virgin Galactic going down. Palantir. Gold. The S&P. Up. Amazon. Apple. NextEra Energy. Enphase. Coca-Cola. J&J. Kenvue. Chevron. Tesla. Right. This is what we're going to do. I am going to go now. I'm going to send everyone to the extra channel. It's an earlier show because I'm going to come back early and do a review afternoon. So I'm going to be back early for reviews. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to end the show, send everyone to the extra channel. You can be in there, chat, support each other, share news, all the rest of it. Keep everybody updated. Let me let me redirect everyone to the extra channel. There you go. Okay. Background music will be there. I'll be live. I'll be in and out. You'll be seeing me making the reviews. I'll be coming online to do them. Anyone's got any news, I can come back live at any point, share it, and all the rest of it. Lots of reviews today to do today. I'm going to do. I've got ANGC. Earnings in the morning. We've got Tesla tomorrow night, Enphase tomorrow night. Those videos will be going out. I'm going to be doing Jose Quintana, Sinan. I've also got me and 23andMe for Salty Biscuit, DSX for Diana Shipping, AGNC Investment, Scolding Hot. We are doing that earnings tomorrow morning. We've got NVEX for Darren Knight. Sundays are better. Alaska Energy Metals. There's just a few. We've got lots to do for you. So I'm going to come back early and do that. It's going to be a special. Let me give everybody now the link to the extra channel. I'll post it twice there. I'll also give it to my Rumblers. I do anticipate having an extra channel here on Rumble sooner than later. I just need a bit more followers to make the investment. I've got to buy a restream plan. I've got two restream plans. So there you go. Anyway, I think I've got everything. Right. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to send you over there very, very quickly. Let me close all these down. And let's send everyone over now to the extra channel. And I'll be back with these earnings live and updating you with all the earnings, latest news, and everything. The extra channel is there to support each other. This is the extra channel. If you've not yet been there, this runs 12 hours a day. It's here to help and support people, provide 12-hour chat, conversation, and all the rest of it. Remember, if you are a YouTube member, it's members only. It's a members only channel. It's viewable by everyone, but only members can actually chat in there, because we want the very best quality of conversation. We don't want bots, scammers, false information. It's to help and support people, not confuse people. But if you do have anything that you want me to cover, come back live for, then you just simply say the link is in Discord, because you can't share links in the extra channel. Nobody can. Right? You just say links for YouTube on Discord. I can go in, see, and then maybe I can come back live and report it and all the rest of it. All right? Okay. So let me send everybody there now. I'll see you back very shortly. I'll be back with lots more reviews, lots more earnings coming up this week. It's a busy, busy day. Michael N has become a member on Extra. Michael has just become a member on Extra. Remember, you can become a member on Extra for 99 cents. That's all it is, but we want it to be members only. It's not about me getting hundreds and millions of subscribers. It's about me having the best service for the members. Hang on, what's this? Add to stock reviews. Okay. Stock reviews. So this is Seth Houston. What's the name of the company? Put that in as well, please. Put that in as well. Let me add it on the list for the $5 slot. Let me put it in here. It will go fourth, fifth. It'll go fifth. There we go. So it's KW.
Seth Houston donated $4.99 through a super chat. Add to stock reviews. Kwai.
Can you give me the name of the company, please? Seth Houston. Kawasaki. Oh, really? I used to ride motorbikes a lot. I used to ride a Yamaha. Kawasaki. Excellent. Nice. Preferred Yamaha bikes, though, I'm just saying. Anyway, I don't think I ever owned a Kawasaki. I think my dad did. My dad had a Kawasaki. Anyway, I've got that in there. That's done. All right, let me send you over there. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go. Lots to do. In the meantime, enjoy the extra channel. Keep chatting. Keep supporting each other. And update me with whatever you need. And I'll be back. Back very short. I'm going to be back early with the reviews. So it might be an extra show in addition to the closing bell. I'll be back as soon as I can. I use all the equipment for landscaping. That makes sense. Oh, hang on. We've got something else here. Hang on. This is an urgent one. And remember, a $100 super chat is a play it now. That's you make the review now. We've only had one of those. That happened last week. But this will jump to the top. Vincent Vosberg.
Vincent Vosberg donated $25 through a super chat. Vutsy Vuzix.
Vutsy Vuzix. Voozy Vuzix. I love it. Voozy Vuzix. I love it. Voozy Vuzix. That'll be our first one then. That's Vincent Vosberg. That's the first one when I come back then in a minute. Right, okay. Vincy Vuzix. That was funny. I like that. All right, I've got to go. Otherwise, this reviews won't get done. All right, see you over there on the extra channel. I've got to run. Got a lot of work to do to get these reviews done before the earnings. That's what we need. All right, that's it from me. Have a great afternoon, great morning. I'll be back as soon as possible. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for now.